August 8th, shortly after 8 a.m.
Correct.
In the back alley of a strip mall next to a dumpster, Fairfax County Police Officer Henry Vire found something he wasn't expecting.
Hey, how are you doing?
A familiar face.
What's going on?
Not much.
Are you an attorney?
I am.
Commonwealth.
Uh-oh.
Not just any Commonwealth's attorney, this Commonwealth's attorney.
My name is Eric Clingan. I'm a senior assistant Commonwealth attorney in Fairfax County.
Eric Clingan, who's been with the Fairfax County Commonwealth's Attorney's Office since October of 2021. He's worked on some of the county's highest profile cases, including as lead prosecutor in the highly publicized Au Pair Affair double murder trial involving suspect Brendan Banfield, scheduled to begin next month.
Someone called on you for some reason. I don't know why.
Not good.
They said you were drinking beer. I don't know if this is true or not. Yes, no, maybe so. No. Okay.
As you can hear, Clingan initially denied he'd been drinking, despite having a beer bottle on the hood of his car and another on the dumpster in front of his car. Within minutes, 3 other officers arrived.
How many of those have you had?
There's that one right there.
Well, I see another one.
Clingan told police he'd stopped to check his email on his way to work and wanted to carry on with his day.
I'm gonna head to work and forget about this.
But it soon became clear he wasn't going anywhere.
This is a Commonwealth attorney that's drunk.
And he's obviously drunk or just seems
He's
drunk?
not like, he's not plastered drunk, but I mean, you can definitely smell alcohol coming off his breath.
One of the officers checked in with the animal hospital employee who'd called police to report the incident. Turned out this wasn't the first time they'd spotted the prosecutor drinking.
Yeah, this is like the 4th or 5th time we've seen him.
Is it fourth or fifth time, like this week, or is it just like randomly just?
I think it's been going on over the past month, I would say.
5 different employees at businesses within the strip mall told 7 News they'd seen Clingan on several occasions, drinking and smoking in the parking lot during weekdays in the early morning, around 7:30 or 8 a.m., dressed in what they described as business attire.
My biggest concern is like you're going to go to work intoxicated and then try to prosecute these cases on behalf of us.
I'm not in court today.
Okay.
And I'm not intoxicated.
Okay.
10 minutes after police first arrived, Clingan appeared to grasp the gravity of the moment.
This looks terrible.
Yeah.
And I get it.
Officer Vire, the first to respond, called his major for guidance.
You know, I don't feel comfortable with him driving, so I was like, hey, you know, I don't even think comfortable with him walking.
Officer Vire later informed Clingan, who was never given a sobriety test, he was going to be driven home, which led Clingan to then ask for special treatment.
I prefer to be in the front.
Okay.
Clingan is then allowed to sit in the front of Vire's squad car for the roughly 6-minute ride back to his house. Once back in his neighborhood, he asked for another favor.
This looks terrible.
It's going to be terrible regardless.
It doesn't have to be. My suggestion would be right now, if we could, to go somewhere else and then come back in 5 minutes. That's all I'm asking.
It's clear Clingan doesn't want to be seen being dropped off by police at his house, so Vire pulls to a side street, where he then tells Clingan things could have gone worse.
What has happened over there in that parking lot is done. Okay?
I don't know what that means.
What I mean is there's no arrest. I'll put it that way.
I know.
Okay? I'm lucky I showed up, immediately recognized you, because if we had newer officers show up and they don't recognize you, you've been done.
It wasn't over for Clingan.
Hey, buddy. I'm Officer Vire. Remember me? Yes.
Hours later, Officer Vire returned to Clingan's home, issuing a summons for drinking in public, a Class 4 misdemeanor.
Any questions? All right, have a good day.